One of the ways that we're working on multiplying is the method called stacked. And stacked is going to be a very familiar method to some of us, is when we take two numbers and we stack them on top of each other. So students are learning how to use this method, and this is just 4 times 6 equals 24. So I put the 4 here in the ones, I put the 2 up top, and then 4 times 2 is 8, plus that 2 is 10, equals 104. So this rule of stacked, we can do 2 digits, we could do 3 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits. Students can learn how to do all of these. The rules are the same. Okay, another way that we're learning how to multiply is through partitioning. So we'll take the same numbers that we similarly had, and instead of stacking them, what we're going to do is we are going to partition or break these numbers apart into tens and ones. All right. This type of math we will eventually be using a lot for mental maths, but students need to learn how to partition when they multiply. So now when I take these numbers here, yes, it seems like there's a lot of steps, but I'm organizing my thoughts. Okay, so I'm going to take this 20 and multiply it by 4, and then I'm going to take this 6 and multiply it by 4, which will give me 80 plus 24, and then I add these together, equals 104. So this is partitioning, where I separate the numbers into tens and ones. All right, we can also use partitioning to do a 3-digit number. So if I had 324 times 5, and I'll remind you again, there's a lot of steps to this, more so than the stacked method, but what we're eventually trying to do is have students be able to do this using their mental math. So they'll be able to break these, partition these apart themselves just by their thinking, and be able to answer these within their head. So this is the ultimate goal. So this is just a process. So learning how to do this is a step. So 5 times 300 would be 1,500. 5 times 20 is 100, and 20, we add them all together, 0, 2, 6. So 1,620. So I hope this helps explain what partitioning is and stack.